Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, I am giving you demonstration JioMeet app for the video conferencing. Using this app, you can solve the problem for online learning, teaching, online meeting. Jio platform has launched its very own HD conferencing application. It's called JioMeet in India. The application is available for the free all users. JioMeet app offer unlimited video calling in high definition and can support up to 100 caller at a time. So let's start as a demonstration. First of all, open your Google Chrome and just type here JioMeet pro.jio.com and then enter. So this is a home page comes in JioMeet. So I click here JioMeet and then smart way to collaborate anywhere, any device, anytime using JioMeet app. And this application available on mobile and desktop devices also, like desktop, Mac operating system, Windows operating system, iOS devices, Android devices, and you can directly access and your any browser. So I'm using Mac, so I click the Mac operating system, and this application comes available on directly Mac App Store. You can open Mac App Store and just type JioMeet application. Like this way you can go that way also. Otherwise you can just type here JioMeet app and enter. So this application is automatically come here. Otherwise you can click here, open the Jio Store, and this application comes here. I install this application. So such kind of web page, home page are come after installation. And this application, it's only 64 MB. It's very small application, and this application providing you features about high definition video calling. So I open this, and then this is my application is open. I already sign in using my Research Rocks Gmail account. It's very simple, first name, last name, email ID, and enter your password. So this is the application desktop. Some chat functions also available here. You can schedule your meeting and send the invitation in this particular time. This is a contact, and this is setting for the video, audio, and your profile related settings are available. So I go with home, and then here new meeting, join meeting, schedule your meeting, or share your screen. So right now I connect myself for as a demonstration purpose, and just I inform you for this particular video calling. This is a video clarity of this application, absolutely amazing compared to Jio, compared to Zoom application and Skype and rest of video conferencing application. So here some number of options are there: mute your voice, stop video, visible, invisible, participate, share your screen, and chat options are available. So I click here and I invite one participant myself just for the video conferencing as a demo purpose. Click there and just type here K Sangram Singh, my ID, and this is PIN. I can directly add this PIN and ID and then connect the video call also here. I receive this email, full screen. This is my screen, and I connect with my mobile screen. So look at this. This is my mobile screen. That one is my mobile screen, and this is my laptop screen. And look at this. This is a clarity. It's amazing. Video clarities are represent JioMeet application. It's absolutely free, and you can connect 1 to 100 people. So this participate, you can connect at a time 1 to 100 people, and this video conferencing is unlimited. So now second options are come here, chatting. So you can chat via presentation, someone asking you questions. So like type here my hello Research Rock, like that way I have some question. You can chat with us for the someone giving you information related to a specific task. And second options are come share your screen. Share your screen in this particular, this suppose here my presentation, here different programs. So I click here and share my screen. So look at this screen are, I am not sharing as a full screen, but receiver, the screens are visible like a full screen in his device. That one is amazing features, and number of participant automatically comes in bottom size, and my screen are comes that position. And here one options also available, you can zoom in also the screens. It's it's new features actually in this application. Your screen also zoom in, zoom out. This share your screen presentations also zoom in, zoom out, but in and receiver can't access for the zoom in, zoom out. You just administrator access such kind of features. It's very simple, no like in Hindi बहुत ज़्यादा ताम झाम नहीं है ये एप्लीकेशन में. easy to way, they convey only video transaction only, no rest of features, share your file, etc. You can share your files via Gmail also. They just giving you as a low amount of consuming the data size and give it to you more features related online learning, teaching and online meeting. It's very simple and compared, and especially on my point of view, this application is absolutely useful. Video quality is amazing on that application. You can use this application because of. And one more, I am requesting you, all of my subscriber, please remove Chinese application for the Zoom and rest of video conferencing, and use our country application like JioMeet, and solve your problem for online learning and teaching. You have any question related to this application, you can comment me. I can give it to you as a feedback how to solve this problem. And then after finish your conversation, you can end the meeting, like click here, end my meeting, leave the meeting here. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You don't miss upcoming videos. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.